Carol!
Nagpasag ka na naman!
Kakabili ko lang ng basong yun eh. Ito naman eh.
Papalitan ko na lang.
Sinasabi ko sa inyo.
Fire! Fire! What is fire? What fire is going on? I heard the...
Wala pa.
I heard the busina of the fire truck. There's a fire here.
Ay hindi po. Baka boses lang po yun ni Carol. Yeah. Pasensya na po.
That's your boy.
Yes! Yes.
Yeah.
Your wonderful voice.
Eric...
Tay?
Sakit, ha?
Sorry.
Ouch!
Sorry. Hindi, sir. Pero parang ngayon lang kita nakita dito sa village.
Yeah, I know. Even you guys, this is the first time I saw you.
Oh,
all.
really?
And you know what? I'm just moving on this morning.
Okay.
Press from Barco.
Barco?
I came from Barco.
The Barco.
What's Barco?
You don't know what is Barco?
No, what's Barco?
Barmo? Barco. How are you, everybody?
Very good.
Good, good.
Good.
I do it.
Very good.
Noel.
Wait.
Saan kayo?
Hey, Guy. Guy.
Oy.
Hey, Guy. This is our kapitbahay. Meet you my pamangkin. This is, come on. Make your face.
Hello guys, ako nga pala si Chris.
Chris.
Ako si Felix. Sa akin ko tumingin.
Oo nga.
Nice to meet you.
Ako si Carol. May
Alright.
may ibang tao dito. Oo.
Hi, I'm Emil Aguinaldo or Mr. A.
Ako naman si Kringle.
Hi, Kringle. Nice to meet you. Pwede ba magtanong?
Sige.
Parol ka ba?
Bakit?
Kasi gusto kitang isabit sa puso ko.
That's my boy. That's my boy.
Yes.
That's my boy.
Uy, alam nyo, parang bagay kayo. Kasi, di ba, Chris, Kringle, Chris Kringle. Ay, bagay sila!
Pwede nga. Parang exchange gift lang,
Oo,
ha?
change of
Pwede,
hearts. Oo.
Bilis naman itong mokong na to. Baka ako pa ma-exchange kay Kringle nito eh.
Hoy, Felix, may sinasabi ka ba?
Hindi, tinitignan ko lang madumi.
Okay.
Hindi, excuse me po, sa inyong dalawa. Di pa galing kayo abroad? Ba't pa kayo pumunta dito? Ayaw nyo ba doon? Ganda-ganda doon.
I know, boy, we've been for there. Look at that. There. And everywhere. And my pamangkin, we want to stay here in the Philippines to spend the Christmas, and we celebrate the Christmas here in the Wisconsin. I love it. We stay here for good. Bad or good, we stay here. Okay?
Oh, okay.
For good talaga po?
Oo, kasi nakakamiss kasi dito sa Pilipinas. Saka mukhang masaya dito sa village nyo, ha? Saka, buti nga nakilala kita.